Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Davy, 38 years old. I am from Prado Burgos, Quezon, Philippines. I am single. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am the eldest child of the family. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 5 years, from May 2018 to November 2023. I serve 6 members of the family. One couple, ages 46, 42, and 4 children, ages 13, 10, 7, and newborn baby. My duties are taking care of children, cooking, cleaning the house, doing laundry, ironing clothes, washing dishes, marketing, and gardening. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to support my family basic needs. To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your helper because I am hardworking, honest, obedient, and trustworthy. I promise to be a good helper as well. And I finished to my 2 years contract. Thank you and thank you, ma'am and sir. And I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.